Hi, this is Saransh from Erthpot. In this video series, we will be learning about Erthpot Keyer DSP range. In our Erthpot Keyer DSP range, we have four variants. First variant is Keyer 44, which has four analog inputs and four analog outputs. Then we have Keyer 88, which is having eight analog inputs and eight analog outputs. Then we have Keyer 88D, which has eight analog inputs, eight analog outputs, along with Dante inputs and outputs. In the last, we have Keyer 1616, which has 16 analog inputs and 16 analog outputs. Here we have Keyer 1616 with us. Let's talk about the physical overview of the device. In the front panel, you get power LED along with status LED and a USB port for software-based VCs. Then at the back panel, we have our input section, output section, GPIO section, and along with them, we have RS-232 and RS-485. Then we have a Cat6 connection for controlling the DSP and configuring the DSP. In the next video, we will be talking about how we can connect to the DSP and download the software into our PC. Thanks.